Pete the Cat and the Big Easter Adventure. Pete was excited. Easter was here. He couldn't wait for his basket of goodies. Jelly beans were his favorite.
Cat. Beside. Bed. Cat beside bed.
Uh-oh! His basket was empty, except for a note. Pete, please help. Find the eggs. Paint the eggs. Hide the eggs. Thanks, the Easter Bunny. P.S. Wear these.
Cat. Reading. Cat reading.
Pete put on the bunny ears and thought, a cat with ears like a bunny? Now that's funny.
Cat. Wearing. Ear. Ears. Cat wearing ears.
Happy Easter, chickens! Do you have any eggs today? Pete asked. I am helping the Easter Bunny. Sure, Pete, we have lots of eggs, the chicken said. We are happy to help, but don't you need a bunny nose and fluffy bunny tail?
C. Egg. Eggs. See eggs.
The chickens were right. The bunny nose and a tail would be neat. Then Pete's costume would be complete. Pete put on the nose and tail like a bunny's. A cat dressed up like a bunny? Now that's funny.
Put. On. Nose. Put on nose.
Now Pete was ready. It was getting late, and he still had a lot of eggs to decorate. What colors would Pete use? Hop, 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 off to the tool shed for paint and brushes.
C. Tool. Tools. See tools.
Pete couldn't wait to paint the eggs. Some eggs had one color, some eggs had two. Some eggs were red, and some eggs were blue.
Painting. Egg. Eggs. Painting eggs.
When the egg painting was done, Pete had a basket full of bright, colorful, amazing eggs. Now hiding them would be lots of fun.
Painting. All done. Painting all done.
But where, oh where would Pete hide the eggs? Around the neighborhood for all of his friends to find.
Hiding. Egg. Eggs. Hiding eggs.
Pete hid the eggs in flower pots. He hid them in the water spout. And when he was done hiding the eggs, Pete the cat was worn out. Helping others out is what Easter is all about, Pete said. Pete's job was done. He was hiding the last one when the Easter Bunny arrived.
C. Easter Bunny. See Easter Bunny.
Great job, Pete. You were a big help, said the Easter Bunny. The Easter Bunny gave Pete an award for a job well done.